If you want to learn how to live and deal with bipolar disorder, then get How to Live with Bipolar Disorder, written by a person with real-life experience in this topic. This is a how-to guide on how to live with bipolar disorder. It's about bipolar disorder or manic depressive illness. The methods expressed in this How to Deal with Bipolar guide have been proven to work. I believe that they would work for anyone who has the initiative to try to use and develop them. There is a step-by-step 12-step guide with instructions on how to deal with your bipolar disorder and how to achieve a more productive, happy, and stable life when dealing with this disease. The guide consists of these topics listed here. Know your disease, admit you have a problem, and diagnose it. Locate a great psychiatrist and counselor. Change your outlook on life and how you see yourself. Work your program. Learn to see signs of trouble. Make amends and forgive yourself. Conquer your fears and handle stress. Medications, the phases of bipolar disorder, and hospitalizations. Take advantage of the new you. Follow the steps to a new life. Help others to help themselves. Reflect and learn from your past. Click Buy Now and get it now.